Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a hover highlight script. So when you hover over an item, it highlights it, and it can work with anything. It can work with meshes, it can work with unions, it can work with any of the default parts. So I hope you enjoy the video, and I hope you learn something new. So see ya. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to create a folder in the workspace. I'm going to call it parts folder, parts folder. Just like that, and I'm going to go on replicated storage. Actually, I'm going to create a demo part, and in this demo part I'm going to create a highlight, and it's kind of ugly right now, so I'm just going to make the fill color white, and that looks pretty good. So this is what the hover is going to look like when you hover over it, and it's just going to go back to default whenever you hover off of it. What you're going to do is you're going to keep it enabled and put it in replicated storage, and you're going to go to starter player scripts and create a new local script, and in this script it's going to do for_part in pairs in game dot workspace get children and do. So what this does, it grabs every object that is in the workspace and it just creates a list. So if we print part, then it'll print a list of the camera, terrain, parts folder, base plate, and the part. Yep, like that. So that just grabs everything. You can remove this. Then what we want to do, we're going to do if part dot name is equal to parts folder, quotations, parts folder. Then now we're going to create a variable, local part folder is equal to part. So we don't have to type part every single time. Now we're going to do that again. So for_part in pairs part folder get children do. Then now what we want to do is we want to create a click detector to detect when the person is hovering. So local, let's call it click is equal to instance dot new click detector. Then we want to create a name, so I'm going to call it click dot name is equal to mouse detector, I guess. And then we want to change the activation distance. So we're going to do click dot max activation distance is equal to 12, I guess. We want to change the cursor icon, so click dot cursor icon is equal to rbx or quotations rbx asset id : / then we're going to do this, the dot, and then this is where the ID is going to be. I'm just going to leave it at 0 to be the default, and that's it for the click detector. So now we're going to do part dot mouse detector. So this is going to grab the mouse detector from the part, mouse hover enter, connect function, and it's going to grab the player. Actually, we don't even need it to grab the player now that I think about it. Then local highlight, so it's going to grab the highlight from replicated storage dot. Let's rename this highlight to something more specific. Hover highlight. Hover highlight that, we're gonna go here and just copy this from here, and then instead of mouse hover enter, we can do mouse hover leave, and then this highlight, it's gonna do part dot hover highlight, or part colon wait for child, hover highlight, colon destroy, and that's pretty much the script. Oh, there's an error here somewhere. Yeah, there's just one too many ends. So now we have the script. We can put any part we want into this parts folder right here, and we can just duplicate it, put them wherever. They can all be the same name as long as they're in here. You just anchor them, and now they should highlight whenever I hover over them. Oh, we got an error. Mouse detector is not a valid member. Oh, I forgot to put the mouse or the click detector into something. So it's just gonna put that into the part. So now what we can do, play, and it should now work. Yep, it works, but something went wrong and it's not deleting it. Oh, we need to create a new one of these. So right here, and then we can add another end. And now hopefully it should work. Now if we go and check, now it works. So now we can hover over any part we want and it'll just work. And what it basically does, as soon as it detects there's anything in this folder, it will instantly put a click detector with these settings, and then when I hover over it, let me just find the one I'm selected on, this one, it creates a new one, it duplicates the highlight from replicated storage, and it just puts it in here and deletes it as soon as I leave. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next video.